Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to sharing across other social media network on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Add your Instagram and Facebook account to the same account center. When you add your Instagram account to the same account center as your Facebook account, you can share content such as stories and posts directly from Instagram to Facebook. And you can also link multiple accounts to one Facebook profile. So, first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. You can tap on your profile, tap on the three lines on the upper right corner over here, tap on settings and privacy, tap on account center. You can see on connected experiences, there's an option sharing across profiles. You can tap on that. Add your account to enable connected experiences, such as sharing your Instagram story and post to Facebook. You can tap on Add Account. You can add Facebook account or you can also add Instagram account. If you want to add your Facebook, you can tap on Facebook, but I will add Instagram account. You can choose one. To enable connected experiences, add this account to the same account center. You can tap on Continue. You can select your third date of birth. To providing your accurate date of birth, help Instagram to provide personalized and age-appropriate experiences to keep you and Instagram community safe. You can choose the date, tap on Continue. Finish adding your account. Your account will be in the same account center. This will help you easily access features that work across your products. Log in more easily with your account. You can use one account to log in to others. Instagram use your info as outlined in privacy policy. You can tap on Yes, finish adding. Can wait. Now you can see your Instagram account have shared across profile on account center. Can see there is the other account that we just added to this account center. So that is how to sharing across other social network on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!